Hello. Playing Reason Die Awakening. Just gonna. Okay, there we go. Hi-yi. Here we go. Of course, the worst one. For a Dragonob. So, the reason why that I'm using a Dragonob is because, well, you know. Yeah. Looking good. I just. Ow. Yeah, as you can see, doing kill contract. I still think that if you have this, like, if you still have ammo in this, it should be like some other things, like, and that's it. And so it's just like the full reload all over again, just like that. And oh my god, that's a zombie. I'm like, stab it. Stab it. Let's see if this works. Nope. This does 20, this does 15. Nice. This does 85. As you can tell, my aim is diarrhea today. Got hit. And this is why I hate this map. With a passion. 'Cause I know math. Hey, Brooch and Mooch. Oh god. Oh my holy. Ugh. Oh, I'm almost dead. Not bad. Gotta get away from me. I'm really gonna die. Also, it would be very cool to like with the AI zombies, you could add like robotic parts to it because they're AI, not real zombies. Apparently, Okay, sorry about that. Sorry about that, eh? That's a Vanoss Gaming reference. Be sure to subscribe to him Or her, I forget.